In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in PowerPoint, offering you a straightforward guide to enhance your presentations effectively. Whether you're a beginner or someone with some experience, this guide will provide you with all the necessary steps to animate elements in your PowerPoint slides seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure that you have the PowerPoint application installed and accessible on your device, as this is where all the animation magic happens. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. This could be an existing presentation that you have saved or a new one that you're creating from scratch. Now that your presentation is open, decide which element you'd like to animate. You can choose anything from a simple text box, a picture, or even a chart. Click on your chosen element in the slide to select it. It's important to properly select the element to ensure that the animation applies correctly to it. With your element selected, head over to the Animation tab on the PowerPoint toolbar. This tab is specifically designed for animating your slides, and it's where you'll find all the necessary tools to create the perfect animations. Clicking on the Animation tab will display different animation options and controls. Next, you'll see an animation drop-down menu within the Animation tab. Click on this drop-down to explore the various animation options available to you. PowerPoint offers a wide range of animations from subtle effects to more dynamic movements, allowing you to choose based on the type of presentation you're aiming for. After clicking on the drop-down menu, it's time to choose your animation. Simply browse through the list of effects and find one that best suits the message and style of your presentation. This is where your creativity can shine, as you decide whether a fade in, a zoom effect, or perhaps a bounce suits your content best. Once you've selected an animation, you can further customize it by adjusting its timing and duration using the options available in the Animation tab. Play around with these settings to see how they can enhance the impact of your animation. Feel free to preview your slide to ensure that the animation looks exactly as you envisioned. And that's it, you've just learned how to add animation in PowerPoint. Now you can bring your slides to life and captivate your audience with engaging and dynamic animations. Don't forget to save your presentation to ensure your newly added animations are preserved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you elevate your PowerPoint presentations to the next level.